Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and on this video I'm in Manchester city centre and I'm at the Wilde Aparthotels, which is just tucked, hidden behind St Peter's Square. Let's have a look. The Wilde Hotel has over 300 rooms and each of those has a fully fitted mini kitchen. As you enter the hotel, there is a small seating area on the ground floor. There are lifts taking you to the other floors and the reception itself is on the 9th floor. And here it is, along with the reception and the bar and restaurant. And there's also a pantry, which we'll show you briefly in just a moment. Look at these lovely views. These rooms are fully equipped and we'll show you in just a moment. There is a laundry room here as well, and also an exercise room. This pantry shop is open 24 hours a day. You order off the iPad and collect the goods, so they are relying on people's honesty. There's the exercise room and there's the laundry room, and another look at the bar. Now I was on the 20th floor, so right at the top, so let's have a look. I was in room 2015. Quite a nice room. There's the mini kitchen, TV, little work area, nice views, we'll show you that in a moment, and a large bed, and of course a bathroom. Here's the bathroom. It's got a sink, there is a loo as well, and there's the shower with one of them rain showers and also another shower and some toiletries as well. And this is the main control panel. Pressing all the buttons, it doesn't seem to be working, but you need to insert your card in the top. So once I've done that, there we go, the lights come on. Let's have a closer look at the kitchen. There's one of those coffee making machines and some coffee pods, and a couple of little bottles of milk in the fridge. Very nice. There's a Smeg kettle and some scrubbers. That's for food waste, and a Smeg toaster as well. That's the fridge, quite a big fridge, and there's a drawer for cutlery. And there's a bin and some sweeping up equipment, and more knives and forks and spoons. In the bottom there's some pans, because there is a hob if you want to do a bit of cooking, and there is also an oven there as well. Love those Smeg toasters, and cups and plates and saucers and all the rest of it in there. And you just touch that and the door opens, and not much in there. Oh, a dishwasher. There's an iron and ironing board and somewhere to hang some clothes, and an umbrella, because occasionally, not often, but occasionally it does rain in Manchester. And there's the iron all tucked away, and there's a safe to put your valuables. This room only cost me around £50. I booked it on a Sunday night, so good value for money. There's some coasters and postcards there. I think you're allowed to take them away. And there's also some pencils and a notepad, which you can use as well. A table to work at. And as we go towards the bed, some more cupboard space there, and another little control panel turning on all the lights, which is in handy reach of the bed, so you can do that while you're lying in bed. Very good. And quite nice lights as well. Nice bedding. Very comfortable bed, and some more storage at the bottom of the bed. Nice pictures on the wall. Really nice room. And another overview of the room. There's the plugs and the USB plugs, which are always handy in hotel rooms. Charging your phone next to your bed. And look at this massive storage space. Obviously, if you were staying here for quite a long time, a couple of weeks or something, you'd make use of all the facilities here. I was just here for one night. Flat screen TV. And another final scoot around the room. And a little look out of the window. This is Manchester at night, just as the sun goes down. A fabulous view from the 20th floor of the Wilde Apartment Hotel. Have you stayed here? What did you think of it? Where's your favourite hotel in Manchester? Please do comment below, and why not subscribe and hit the notification bell if of course you want to. And that's just about it from the city centre Manchester. Until next time, bye for now.